I started in this business in 1976. I was going to school in Iowa, and a gentleman I was working for in the golf shop in Iowa asked me if I'd like to come to Albuquerque and run a golf shop for him. So that was our beginning.
I've been coming here for my entire life since I was a junior golfer, and Rob and Gene have become really good friends of mine. I've gotten to know so many of their employees through the years, and they've done a wonderful job of maintaining connection with our community and making contributions to different sorts of community-related initiatives, junior golf initiatives, Special Olympics. And I just think it's great that in an age where so many things have become so corporate and national, these guys have maintained a very unique and personal approach with so many of their customers.
Over the years, I guess we've seen young people come in, and now a lot of the parents will be coming in, and their kids are the same age as they were when they first started coming in.